If your bookings still happen through back and forth messages, you are making life harder for both your customer and your team. And the fix is usually much simpler and cheaper than people think. A lot of small businesses handle bookings manually. Someone sends a message. You reply when you can. They ask what times are available. You check the calendar. They change the time. You update it manually. Now imagine that happening all day. It wastes time. It creates confusion. And it increases the chance of missed bookings, double bookings, and slow replies. The real problem is not the customer. The real problem is that there is no clean booking system. A good booking system should do three things: show availability, capture the booking details, confirm the next step. That is it. You do not need expensive software to get that outcome. For many small businesses, a booking link, a simple form, and a synced calendar are already enough. The customer should be able to choose a service, pick a time, submit their details, and get a confirmation without needing a long conversation. That one change removes a surprising amount of friction. Instead of waiting for someone to reply, the customer can move forward immediately. And that usually means more completed bookings, not just less admin. Behind the scenes, your system should block the time record, the booking, notify the right person, and send reminders automatically. That removes a huge amount of admin. It also makes the business look more organized and professional. People trust businesses more when the process feels clear. And clear systems usually lead to fewer no-shows, fewer mistakes, and less confusion for staff. Imagine a barber, a consultant, or a cleaning business. Right now, they might be managing bookings through Instagram, text, Facebook, and phone calls. That means the calendar is always slightly behind reality. Now imagine a cleaner version. The customer clicks a booking link. They choose the service they want. They pick from available times. They enter their details. They get an instant confirmation. At the same time, the business gets the appointment in the calendar, the team gets notified, and the reminder messages are scheduled. If the business has different team members, the booking can even be routed to the right person automatically. If the booking needs prep time, travel time, or buffers, those rules can also be built into the system. That means the process becomes easier to trust because it does not depend on memory every single time. Same service, much less friction, and now the owner is not wasting the day trying to coordinate what should have been a simple booking. That time can go back into delivery, marketing, sales, or customer experience. If your booking process depends on too much conversation, it probably needs a system. Start by asking, can the customer book without waiting for us to manually coordinate it? If the answer is no, that is a strong automation opportunity. A cleaner booking flow means faster response, fewer mistakes, and more completed bookings. It also means the business feels easier to run because the calendar becomes more reliable. And once the booking system is clean, a lot of the rest of the workflow gets easier too. And that is exactly the kind of system that helps a business scale. If you want more practical automation videos like this, subscribe for more from Legion Algo Labs.